Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss how to draw the projections of a hexagonal prism which is inclined to both vertical and horizontal planes. I will read the question. A hexagonal prism side of base 20 mm and axis 60 mm is resting on an edge of base on the HP, inclined at 60 degree to the VP, with its axis inclined at 30 degree to the HP. Draw the projections of the solid. So we are having a hexagonal prism of base edge 20 mm and axis 60 mm. The prism is resting on HP on one of its base edge. Also the same base edge is inclined 60 degree to the vertical plane, and the axis of the prism is inclined 30 degree to the horizontal plane. Let us start with the hexagonal prism resting on its base on HP. In this case, on top view, we can see a hexagon. Let us start drawing from top view. Okay, first you have to draw the XY line. Okay, we are starting from top view. First you have to draw the hexagon. Okay, there is a simple method to draw the hexagon. First you have to draw a circle of radius 20 mm. 20 mm means one side of the hexagon is 20 mm. So we are taking 20 mm as radius and we are drawing a circle. Okay, now I am drawing a vertical line through the center of the circle. And then I am going to cut arcs on the circle with the radius 20 mm. That is the radius of the circle. I am measuring the radius of the circle and I am cutting arcs on the circle. I cut 2 arcs from the top side and 2 arcs from the bottom side. Now I am going to join all the points. In the top view, we can see all the edges of the hexagon. So I am going to draw thick lines using H pencil. Okay, the hexagon is completed. Now I am going to name all the corners of the hexagon. I am naming it as A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. We are seeing the top face of the prism. There is a bottom face which is also a hexagon. So we have to name that also. I am giving that name on brackets. That is G, H, I, J, K and L. Okay. Now I am going to dimension the side of the hexagon, which is 20 mm. Okay, now you have to draw the front view. So I am going to draw projection lines vertically upwards. We can see the bottom edge. So I am going to draw a thick line. Height of the prism is 60 mm. So I am measuring it and drawing a vertical thick line using H pencil. Now I am going to draw all the visible edges of the prism using H pencil. We can see 3 vertical lines. Okay, now I am going to name the corner points. I am marking AG. AG is visible on the front view. And behind A dash, I'm marking it as A dash, and behind A dash there is a point called D dash, and behind G dash there is a point called J dash. Similarly, B dash, H dash is visible on the front view, and behind that there is a point called, okay, I'm not seeing it, and behind that there is C dash and I dash. And in a similar way, we can mark all the remaining points. Okay, now we completed the front view of the hexagon. Okay, I am dimensioning the height of the prism, which is 60 mm. In the question, it is given that the axis of the prism is inclined 30 degree to HP. So I am going to draw a 30 degree inclined line. Now I am redrawing the front view again in such a way that the prism is resting on an edge on HP. I am measuring the height of the prism from the first front view. It is 60 mm. Now the prism is resting on an edge of base on HP. Okay, the angle is marked, it is 30 degree. And now I am marking the points. The prism is now resting on the edge HI. You have to note that on the top view, two edges of the hexagon is perpendicular to the vertical plane. You have to draw like that. Then only you can make the prism rest on an edge on HP. The prism is now resting on the edge HI. We have to draw the new top view. For that, we are drawing vertical projection lines downwards from the new front view and horizontal projection lines from the top view. The vertical projection lines from each point of the front view meets the horizontal projection lines from corresponding points on the top view. In that way, we can mark our points. Now on the top view, we can see the hexagon ABCDE completely. So I am drawing thick lines. Also, we can see the lateral edges FL, EK, DJ and AG, and the base edges GL, LK and KJ. So we are drawing thick lines. Base edges GH, HI and IJ are hidden lines, and also lateral edges HB and IC are hidden lines. So we draw dotted lines. The question also says that the base edge which rests on HP, that is HI, shall incline 60° to VP. So we are drawing a 60° inclined line and redrawing top view again. I am first marking the edge HI by taking measurements from the previous top view on the 60° inclined line. Now using lines and arcs, I am redrawing the top view again by making the edge HI inclined 60° to VP. I am marking the 60° inclination. Now our prism is resting on an edge on HP, and that edge is inclined 60° to VP. Also the axis of the prism is inclined 30° to HP. So all conditions in the question are satisfied. We have to draw the final front view. So we are drawing projection lines upwards. Horizontal projection lines are also drawn from the previous front view. Now we can mark all the corresponding points. Note this point, you have to mark the points correctly from the first figure onwards. Then only you can draw the final figure correctly. The hexagon ABCDEF is completely visible on the front view. The lateral edges AG, FL, BH and CI are visible. So we are drawing thick lines. The base edges IH, HG and GL are also visible. Base edges LK, KJ, JI and lateral edges KE and JD are hidden lines. So we are drawing dotted lines. Okay, now we have completed all conditions in the question and drawing is also completed. I hope you understood this example. Thank you.